Are you tired of struggling to earn a real income online? Do you want to make money online like this? $9,000 in 1 week, or $52,250 in 1 month, or like this? If you answered yes to these questions, then you need the Affiliate Automation Academy. Imagine making $1,000 a day, spending just 20 minutes face-free with zero tech skills. Once your system is set up, it runs like clockwork. Spend just 20 minutes a day managing it. Everything, from lead capture to auto follow-ups and sales, is hands-free. What are you going to get inside the Affiliate Automation Academy? There are 9 modules that will take you by hand from start to finish. Number 1, you will get a complete A to Z masterclass that shows you how to create affiliate automation from scratch to scale. Number 2, find the best offers to promote. This module shows you how to find the most profitable affiliate programs. This is very important because choosing the wrong product is a recipe for wasting time, money, and energy. You don't want that. Number 3, getting the right traffic. You will learn the optimal content mix and the right posting schedule to get maximum engagement from your audience. Number 4, viral video. Learn how to acquire viral video without breaking a sweat. Number 5, learn how to acquire a professional social media account and how to optimize the account to produce your profit real fast. Number 6, tools for success. You will get to learn about all of them in this module. Number 7, learn how to generate quality leads in as little as 20 minutes of work a day. Number 8, boost your profit with targeted DM follow-ups. It is critical to working less. Number 9, automated sales machine. Complete tutorial for achieving this in this module. With this system, you will make more money with high-ticket offers, such as $1,000 or even $2,500 a pop. Here is a real student making money. Please don't take my word for it. Here are reviews from other real customers. These are just a few, there are more. This system is not only about making money. This is also for you to get your time back. That means more time to spend with your family or doing whatever you love. Click the link in the description to grab your copy to Financial Freedom.